Here's how to create a professional coloring page in Canva completely free in just a few minutes. First, create a new design. Set the dimensions to 8.625 by 11.25 inches. This size is ideal if you plan to publish on Amazon KDP later. Now go to Elements and search for an image you like, or you can upload your own image if you prefer. I'll use a simple elephant graphic from Canva's library as an example. Click to add it to your page. Duplicate the image. Place one copy at the top. Move the other copy to the center and resize it. Select the center image. Click Edit, then Adjust. Now change the settings to the following values: brightness 100, contrast 100, highlights -100, shadows -100, blacks 100, vibrance -100, saturation -100. Next, open Color Edit. Click each color and set its brightness to 100. And now you'll see a clean black outline ready to use as a coloring page. You can duplicate the page and repeat the process with different images to build your full coloring book. When you're finished, click Share, then Download. Choose PNG, JPG, or PDF print depending on how you plan to use it. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing to Govin Creates for more Canva and Amazon KDP tutorials. And if you have questions, leave them in the comments.